Okay, as a first step, we want to introduce the chroma key shader, and in this video we want to talk about how we can use this shader for our green screen images or videos. It is the shader, and I will zip it, the U chroma key package, and you can use it and add it to your project easily without any restriction. Depends on the Unity version or something like that. Okay, in this scene, and as a scenes I said chroma key, and this one I've put a chroma key quad. It is a simple quad, but with the specific material, and in the shaders you can see chroma key and standard and transparent. It is our asset, a simple image and with the green screen, but it is our content, Earth is our home. Let's keep it safe. Okay, we add it to our scene and as a material of this quad, but with the shader of chroma key standard transparent, we can remove color of green. As you can see, I've selected the color of the background. For example, if I put the red one, for example this one, it will be reversed. It try to remove the that type of red and keep the green one. But for now we want to remove the green screen, and it's better to select this green screen. If you want to use the blue screen as your chroma key background, you can choose the blue type and remove it from there, from the background. I better do that. And in here you can change the hue range, as you can see, and the accuracy of the removing the green screen. Also for saturation it is the same, and for brightness it is the difference between them. Okay, and also in here you can change the material and put some color as a main color of your screen. Okay, it would be better if we keep it as white. Okay, now we can add video and as a material of this quad, and use the chroma key and remove the color screen or blue screen or other type of screens. For example, in this image I want to change it to this one. It must be this color. As you can see, it is perfect. And also in this material you can drag and drop your render texture. For example, I want to do something cool in here and add a camera, and we say capture camera. In here I say this part, and I will put a quad in front of this camera, something like this. Okay, something like this. And I said the material and the texture of this quad will be this green screen. Okay, and in here I will add a render texture and say capture camera. Okay, and I say okay, please drag and drop this part. Okay, and The texture of this cube, of this quad, will be the render texture of that camera, something like this. As you can see, in this quad, sorry, we can see the view of this camera. So if we try to remove the green screen of this part, we can transparent of it as well. But for that we have to click exactly that type of color for here. And something like this. It's done. In the next step, I want to add an AR camera to here to use this technology for making a real-time chroma key in our scene, especially in VR. I want to combine the chroma key runtime chroma key in VR in the next video. Let's go to the next step.